All right, so what are the consequences of not filing your patent on time? Hi, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. I've been helping inventors now for over 11 years, earning over 500 patents as of today. I'm also the author of Bold Ideas, The Inventor's Guide to Patents. It's a book available on Amazon and our website at boldpatents.com. And for you, YouTube listeners and subscribers, click below. You get access to the PDF version of the book for free. Download the Bold Inventors Kit right there below in the link to get started. So this question is important. It's about timing and what are the consequences for filing too late. I would say the first and foremost biggest issue is inventors that wait too long to file for their patent application. They're trying to get things just right, trying to get it perfect. They keep tinkering in their garage, and guess what? Someone else beats them to it. This is classic. We hear it a lot from inventors that say, you know what? Last week, I was just going down the aisles of Walmart, and I saw it right there on the shelves. That was my idea. I didn't do it a couple years ago when I had it. I've now got invention number 2, and I'm not going to make the same mistake. So don't let that happen to you. Don't sit on your laurels. Don't procrastinate. Take action. If you have an invention you think is going to make an impact in your industry, in the market, go for it. Make a filing. Talk with a patent attorney. Do the research. Confirm what's novel, non-obvious, and get the application filed. That's the biggest, I think, number one consequence for not having filed on time is losing to another inventor that has independently come up with the same or very similar concept apart from you and has beat you to the patent office. I talk about this a lot in the videos that the American Invents Act about 10 years ago changed the law from being a first to invent to a first to file system. So some of these inventors, some of you out there that haven't heard of this, it's a very important concept. It does not matter. It doesn't matter who has the inventor's notebook or can prove that they invented it first in their lab. It doesn't matter. It's who files it first. That's who will get the rights. And of course, those are the rights to exclude others from making, using, selling, or importing that product for up to 20 years if you're able to secure a utility patent. Now, other major portion of too late, what consequences happen? Well, if you have taken your product to market, if you have even offered to sell your product, sold it, or published it online, or published it in a trade show to someone or person of ordinary skill would have access to your invention, and it's been over a year, you're out of luck. It's a very hard and fast 1-year statutory grace period. That rule, after a year, your patent application could be invalidated. The patent, if you were to go spend a ton of money and go try to enforce it against a third party, that third party could go find that early publication and invalidate your whole patent because you've broken the policy premise of patent law. And what I mean by that? Well, the policy premise of patent law is we as a country, and this is why patent law is in the Constitution, for goodness sake, we want to incentivize inventors to come forward, to share what inventions that they've come up with, not keep them as trade secrets, not keep them to themselves. We want to encourage inventors to get out, tell us how they did it. What discovery did you make? And for doing that, for explaining it in great detail, we're going to give you, the inventor, a limited monopoly of up to 20 years. This exchange requires disclosure, requires you taking action, filing, and using the patent system that our country and our founding fathers created. Now, by waiting, by hoping to maybe monetize or wait for the right market timing, you're risking losing priority rights. You're risking having your whole patent invalidated. If a 1 year, 12 calendar months, 365 days goes by and you haven't moved forward with the filing. So don't let that happen to you. Don't let some other inventor come up with the same invention, file it before you. And don't wait more than a year after you publish, sell, or offer to sell your invention. So get hold of us at Bold Patents. We're happy to help you figure out the timelines, understand what's involved in filing, and what kind of investment to make there. I'm JD Houvener with Bold Patents Law Firm. Have a great day, everybody. Go big, go bold.